Barda updates and congrats sa Barda. Yung wagi sa 38 PM PC Star Awards for Television. Yung bilang Herman Moreno. Yung Power Tandem Award. At kay Barbie naman ay Female Face of the Night. Congrats. Ito yung video. Congrats kila Barbie at David. Ito yung pagdating nila Barbie at David sa PMPC Star Awards awarding ceremony. Ayan, sa post yan ni Sir Nathan. Ayan, sa mga inabangan syempre yung Barda. Ayan, sabi pa nga sila, natatawa pa nga si Barbie saka si David Ayan, congrats. Ayan, nakita nila yung picture nila sa screen. Congrats.
The second trophy lay bouquet from the PMPC are John Mike from the Hetman
Ito yung speech ng Barda.
Gulat ka, diba? Ayun, sobrang saya ko kasi ang saya niya ka-work and ngayon nakikita ko na ang laki na ng growth niya as an actor and I can't wait to see him more and to see him grow as an actor at sana ako pa rin ang kasama.
Yun,
Madali na.
Okay, first of all, I want to say thank you to BNPC for recognizing us. This means that I guess we're doing something good, and that we're making people happy, and that's what you want to do. Secondly, I want to say thank you to GMA for believing in us. Kung Maria Clara, di ba, like what Barbie said, yun kasi yung nagpanganak sa ating love team, tama? Yes, so thank you so much. Sparkle, and ikaw yung love mo. You are very patient and understanding, so really thank you. And hopefully magkaroon pa tayo ng maraming trabaho together. Yes.
Siyempre ang ating supporters, diba? Yes, to the fans,
Barda.
salamat po sa inyong paniniwala. And yun, katulad ng sinabi ni David, to GMA and to Sparkle, maraming salamat po. Thank you!
Yes.
Thank you to the fans. Wala.
Congrats.
Yes! Thank you po. Have a good night, everyone.
Congrats. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is with your reaction vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.